All right, what's up everybody? It's Kalen Moss, aka the MinuteAdmin here, and in this video we're going to talk about super badges inside of Trailhead. So we're still navigating Trailhead. We've had quite a few videos already about Trailhead, and I think it's important because everybody needs to know how to navigate the Trailhead environment, because this is where you're going to be most of the time, especially if you're brand new to the Salesforce ecosystem. You're going to be learning a lot in here. So you've already created your account. You've already got a tour of the different areas inside of Trailhead. You see what modules are. You see where to go for these different community tabs and these different tabs here. Now we're talking about super badges. So all you need to do is hover over Learn right here and go over to go over Credentials right here and click on Super Badges. So super badges are going to be real world scenarios that are going to really test your ability to just understand the Salesforce ecosystem, understand how Salesforce works. So these are real world projects that you can put under your belt and use as real experience. So whenever you're on different interviews or you're talking to people about what your experience is with Salesforce, you can use these super badges as real world experience. This is legit. Like these are really legitimate super badges. Like these are real projects. So the cool thing is, if you're a Salesforce administrator, you have an admin superset badge. Now all these badges have to be unlocked. So let's say we click on this super badge called Business Administration Specialist. You have to do these modules. You have to complete these badges to pretty much unlock this specific super badge. So let's just look at this module here called the Reports and Dashboards for Lightning Experience. You'd have to come through, do this module, get this entire badge. You'd have to do all these units in order to unlock this one specific thing. Same thing goes with this data security. Come here and you'd have to do all of these, and basically you'd have to do all these different badges or modules to unlock this super badge here. The same thing goes with every other super badge you do. So if we're just looking at these super badges, basically you'll get the concepts that you'll be tested on. So here's what you'll be doing. You'll be cleaning and importing your account data. Here's the concepts that are tested: data import, UI configuration, email templates. Here's some pre-work and notes you need to know. Here's the use case. Here's the key stakeholders. This is real world project stuff. So if you're wondering how you get experience or how to tell an employer that you did something inside of Salesforce, this is it right here. This is the most basic form. This is the fundamentals right here of Salesforce. So if you understand how these super badges work and you're able to complete these super badges, you really do have Salesforce experience. So don't take these as, this isn't real or this doesn't count as experience. This is real experience. So I try to tell people that all the time when they're saying, oh, I don't have experience for a job. I say, well, have you done super badges? And they say, yeah, I've done like 5 super badges. And I'm like, well, you have experience. So do these super badges, take it serious, understand how this is a real world scenario, and really dissect this. Go through this slowly, but surely, and realize like, hey, I'm doing a real world project here. Once you finish the super badge, you basically get a whole bunch of points here. And right now it's saying it's going to take 6 hours. More than likely it's going to take longer than 6 hours, but that's a super badge for you. The way to go find a super badge is hover over the Credentials tab and click on Super Badges right here. Take these very serious. You can do this with Salesforce Administrator, Salesforce Developer. When I say take it serious, I just mean basically you can use this as real world experience. Have fun with it. Work with a partner. Work with people to finish up these super badges. So that's it for super badges. Next video, I'm going to show you the different Salesforce certifications and why it's important to go and find which Salesforce certification you want to get before you actually start studying for everything inside of whatever career path you want to go down. So if you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share this with your friends. If somebody needs to see how to pretty much get their foot in the door in the Salesforce ecosystem, make sure to share that with them. And I will see everybody in the next video. MinuteAdmin out.